Get ready with me and answering 5 questions, and it starts right now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you can start by subscribing to the channel and turning post notifications on. Today I thought that I would do something different and invite you guys into the world of heaven. So I answered 5 questions and I'm just gonna play in a little bit of makeup. All right, let's jump right into this video. The first question is, what is my favorite hobby aside from YouTube, obviously? I paint. I started painting probably when I was about 12 years old as an outlet. I would say that I'm rather good at it. I'm not gonna be so much full of myself. All right, let's move on to food. Some of my favorite dishes, which are, drumroll please, cup of noodles, but it has to be the hot and spicy flavor with shrimp with ranch and hot sauce. All right, so next question. Why did I start YouTube? Why on earth did I start YouTube? I started YouTube as an outlet. I had a couple of issues going on in my personal life and I just wanted an outlet. Something that I had never done before, something that could help a situation that I've never been through before, so I had to do something different and change it up. And a couple months later, here we are, and I'm so thankful for all of you that are really dedicated in following me on my journey, and I'm just happy that you guys are wanting more content from me. Which brings me to my next question. Who is my favorite YouTube channel and why? Well, I have been switching it up throughout the past couple of weeks of who I like to watch more often than not. It used to be John Cookian, just because I am a drama person. I love everything about drama and I just want to know what is going on with everybody in the world aside from my little bitty Texas town. But now, hands down, Shane Dawson. Shane, if you are watching this, you are my inspiration. Now, while I am baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes, but let's dive into my past and my childhood. For starters, I was born in a very small town in Texas called Temple, and I stayed here until maybe I was about 12 years old, and then I moved to California, where I grew up in Long Beach. When I turned 19, I moved back. Oh my god, look at that color. Jesus. I moved back to Texas. All right, so the next question is, where are some of my favorite places to visit? Now that's a pretty hard question because, I mean, Texas is, as you guys know, the biggest state, and there are a ton of fun things to do with your family. The Inner Space Caverns in Georgetown, Texas. Oh my gosh, okay? If you are the type of person that's adventurous and that likes to go cave diving, yes, I took Daniel for his birthday. So I like to take Daniel to places that he's never been, or take him to do things that he's never experienced in his life. For his birthday, I took him to the Inner Space Caverns, and OMG, he had the best time. The best time. And I was so bummed that my daughter couldn't come with us. I guess something that I'm still waiting on doing but have not done yet is, of course, the escape rooms of Waco, Texas. I really want to do that, and now I don't know what transition shade to use. I don't know which one is going to make it look better or if it's going to make it look more messed up. What is my biggest fear of all time? Aside from my daughter drowning, my next biggest fear is being forgotten. I don't want to live my entire life and strive to be who I know that I should be, and then in 10 years, nobody remembers who I am. I want everyone to be like, hey, you guys remember? That's that chick. heaven. But yeah, I don't want to be forgotten. Since I'm doing a reddish pinkish look, that I do a highlighter to match. This is a shade that you guys have never seen before on this channel, so this is hashtag all day. And while I'm doing this, I'll answer one final question. Where do I see myself in 5 years? Well, I can tell you where I hope to see myself. I want to have at least 100,000 subscribers. I actually would like to be working on a brand deal. I want to be purchasing my own home with my hubby. Alright, that's it. I'm actually gonna go out tonight, and this is my look. I hope that y'all have enjoyed our time together and getting to know me. I had a very, 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 very great time. So if at any point during this video y'all had fun or even just smirked, a half smile, just give me a half smile, then shoot me up a big thumbs up and comment down below a heart eyes emoji. I love spending each and every moment that I can with you guys. You've officially been touched by heaven.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.